Here's how to add Bluetooth capabilities to your old head unit. In my case, I've already upgraded to an Android screen, so I don't really need this Bluetooth device anymore. Other than charging my phone with it, perhaps. I do want to say that it was very useful at the time, to the point where it was well worth making a video on. So let's plug it in and see how it works. Find your cigarette lighter socket. Every car is different, and if you only have one socket, I'd suggest you get one of these Bluetooth transmitters with USB ports built in. The reason for that is you may be using your cigarette lighter socket to charge your phones. If you get one of these, you'll be able to do that just fine. This transmitter in particular comes with 2 USB ports and 2 Type-C ports, as well as a bass boost button. You click it, it gives your bass boost. Click it again, it takes it right off. Now the button on top is to pretty much change the color of the LED lights around it. So the way it works is the device itself will tell you which frequency to turn your radio into to be able to connect to the radio's antenna for a good and stable connection. In this case, it looks like we're working with 88.5. Next thing you want to do is just connect your phone to the Bluetooth transmitter through your phone's Bluetooth settings, just like you would any other Bluetooth device.
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
And that's all it takes to get this device up and running. I won't play any music just because of copyrights and things like that. Now the sound quality is not as good as a head unit with Bluetooth built in already, but it's good enough to get by. Overall, pretty good solution to adding Bluetooth to an old radio if you're not ready to spend the extra money on getting an Android screen. But perhaps you like to keep your vehicle as OEM as possible. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video and consider subscribing.